Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey barbecue wings. You will need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1½ cups of Jack Daniel barbecue sauce, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. To a dish, add the flour and cornstarch. Now add the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Add the cayenne pepper and paprika, then whisk until well combined. Coat the wings with the flour, then place them on a wire rack. Add the oil to the pan, then heat to a temperature of 350 degrees. Now fry your wings in small batches for 10 to 12 minutes. In a different frying pan, using medium heat, bring it to temperature. Now melt the butter. Add the barbecue sauce and honey, then mix until well combined. Continue to stir until your sauce is just warmed, then turn off the heat. Now generously coat the wings with the sauce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.